Okay, so today I was craving some shrimp,
Shrimp goes
and
out.
I don't like the shrimp from the grocery store because they always taste different to me because I grew up on a river and I always been spoiled by fresh seafood. And every time I go to the grocery store, everything tastes weird and rubbery. But luckily, we live at a location that's close to the water and that's close to the coast. So
And it's all free.
I'm able to. It is free if you can catch them. Exactly. But if you don't have
those
the
shrimp are
stuff,
fast.
I mean, if you don't have
You
a
got to
shrimp
really
boat,
be able to grab them.
yeah, if you don't have a shrimp boat and a cast net or a dragger or whatever you call those things, you can't get it.
Drag queen.
Yeah, drag queen. It's
They
called
catch
a.
I guess they do catch shrimp.
What do they call it? Dragnet or whatever.
Dragging? Okay.
So anyhow, this is a long story to cook some shrimp.
I know, right?
Okay.
Better
This
hurry
is
up.
too long.
It's already been a
Okay,
minute.
so I peeled these, I deveined them, and I was looking at them, and when I got them, I was like really disappointed because
veiny.
they look kind of like they were sitting out on the deck for a little while because they look kind of, because I'm used to white shrimp.
Did you do the
And
bat
they
wing?
said these are jumper shrimp, and I was like, okay. They have like a little pinkish hue to them, and I was like, okay, I'll trust these people. They're not gonna give me no like old shrimp or anything.
Shrimp's been laying
And they
out.
taste okay. I mean, the
They're
smell.
okay.
I didn't say they taste okay. They smelt okay. They didn't when I was peeling them.
Did you
So
smelt
I'm
them?
fixing to cook them now.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter in.
I should probably do more than that.
No, I'm only gonna do that. It's too much already.
I think it's too much. How you
Bad
have too
for
much
your
butter?
heart. So
Yeah, butter's not bad for your heart as long as you don't. Never mind. Yeah.
I had this planned out until my phone started acting crazy. I can't even tell you. All right, listen. Oh,
It's got some wax paper still stuck to it.
I just want you to look at these shrimp.
I've looked at them.
I'm just gonna put some spray, olive oil spray.
Dollar General.
Yeah, you can put.
Dollar General.
These are big. You see how big they are?
That's what she said.
That's the reason why I was like looking at them. If they've been sitting on the deck even for a day, I might eat them if they're that big.
Yeah, even if they got a little bacteria in them, I'll eat them things. They big.
Potatoes.
The fresh maker.
That's a river girl coming out.
Forever girl.
From Texas. Yep.
Yep.
Okay, I like to spread them out a little bit because that lets it work better or whatever. I still got some in here left
That's what
over.
she said.
Whatever. You should see me cleaning these things. You got to split them down the back.
Well,
You
that would
gotta
have been funny. That would have been like a good video.
That would have been better.
Yeah.
Yeah. If these things are real good, I'll be going out there again tomorrow. You know how much they cost?
How much?
$5 a pound.
Really?
Mhm.
Wow, that's good. Those are
I know.
big shrimp.
How much you get them from the grocery store?
Like
$9,
$10
$10 a
yeah.
pound. Yeah, y'all need to figure out where your
Where your food's coming from.
I didn't even tell them that I grew
It's
up
a
on
little
the
bit
river.
orange. You know what? Just a little bit of bacteria in there. You can cook that out of there.
I don't really. I
Just
honestly,
sitting on the deck too long, who cares? We can cook it out.
I don't really think that. So don't
Heat it
go.
up long enough.
I don't really think that. Don't go by that. It looked that way, and they
No,
told me
it's
these
not good.
shrimp were
It's not good.
different. They said these are jumper shrimp
And they're probably jumpers because they're like sad.
because I usually see white shrimp and they're gray whenever
Oh, they do
you.
white shrimp.
Well, they're gray whenever you buy them, and then whenever you cook them, they turn white. But these are called jumper shrimp. Okay.
So they're depressed.
Okay, so I took the other
Don't
shrimp
scrape the
out,
bottom of
and I got a little bit of shrimp left, so I put a little bit of butter in the pan, and I'm gonna cook the rest. Look at this shrimp. Look at that.
Wow. What are those called? Bottom feeding shrimp?
No, these are jumpers.
Jumping bottom feeders.
I don't like bottom feeders. They taste weird. They taste like they've been eating shit.
All shrimp have been eating shit, I think. That's why you have to devein them. You got to get rid of the bat wing.
Oh, well, you should have recorded me cleaning them out.
I should have.
And by the way, if anybody wants to get that reference of the bat wing, it's on
They know it. Come on, everyone.
the movie Waiting, and it's got Ryan Reynolds in it. I love him.
Me too.
He is so
He
cute.
is so hot.
He's like one of the waiters. Okay, so I cooked these up in a little olive oil, and it's not as complicated as my last video with the shrimp when I put onions in and stuff. But I've got garlic salt. Cook them in a little bit of something that's slippery, like butter or olive oil spray or whatever you got. They'll make some slip on the pan. A little bit of Parmesan cheese you can add. And we're going to put heavy whipping cream in and a little more butter.
Butter.
It went ahead and melted in the pan. All right, I'm not going to put no more butter because if you shake this enough, it makes butter, okay? So I know that, yes. You want to clog your heart. I'm going to pour a little bit of that in there. Just
A little bit. It's like that lady that was, hey, we'll put 2 shots of vodka.
Oh, yeah, it was funny. Yeah, it was funny. Okay, so I'm going to let that stew for a little while.
Parmesan.
Okay. Yep. So I just added a little bit of the half and half, like half over the shrimp.
Heavy whipping cream.
The heavy whipping cream, just like half over the shrimp, you know, like right where their little vein was cut in their back.
So veiny.
And it gives it like a nice sauce. And then you can put...
Oh my god.
Then you can put some Parmesan cheese
If you don't
into
throw it in
it.
there. You can throw the whole thing in there.
And if you want to make it really nice and thick, you can add some cornstarch and then you can like whip it up and make it a little bit more thicker for your
Whip it
children.
real good.